Hey G Squad, and welcome back to my channel. So yes, it is me, your girl in the flesh. I am back after being gone for 2 months. Family, oh my god, I had no idea that I have not uploaded a video in about 2 months. But in any case, y'all, I'm back. I do apologize for my abrupt disappearance, from my channel. I promise you it was not planned. I really only was going to take like a couple of days off, a week at the most. But apparently the creator was like, no girl, you really need to take some time off. So from social media, from Instagram, YouTube, and a whole bunch of other stuff I was doing behind the scenes, I literally, just sat down and really just took care of me. And guess what? I feel amazing. I'm refreshed. I miss you guys. I miss you a whole lot. I promise you I do. And so anyway, I am back. Yes, I am. And, if you're new to my channel, welcome. I hope after, watching a few videos, we can vibe and you'll consider subscribing to my channel. If not, I understand not everything is for everybody. And then for my returning family members, welcome back. I miss you guys as well. And I hope all is well with you and yours. And then for all the holidays that I miss, Easter, Mother's Day, Father's Day, your birthday, I hope you and your family had a wonderful time, celebrating, together. Okay, so with that being said, I'm going to get started with the cooking video. I'm making, I just made in this video a simple turkey and cheese sandwich. I used some naan bread, and then I made like this homemade, carrot and ginger juice. Y'all, I've been getting into fresh juicing, while I was gone, and woo! Love it. I love it. So be looking out for some, juicing videos as well. All right. So anyway, I'm excited to be back. I love you guys so much. And I look forward to seeing you all in the next video. Bye. Mwah. Okay, y'all. So the first thing that I'm going to do is start off by making my carrot juice. I don't have any ice on hand, so I want to make sure this is nice and chill by the time my sandwich is ready. And so I'm using this NutriBullet that I picked up from Walmart. It was under $100. And on high speed, I'm blending 2 medium carrots that I washed and peeled. I have 1 apple that I cut in quarters and decored it. And then my ginger, this is, I guess, about a 2-inch piece of ginger that I peeled. And I'm also blending that on high. And so now once I'm done, boom, this is what you have. Oh, it smells so good. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave it in this container, pop it in the fridge, and let it chill. And then we're going to now get started with making our sandwich. Okay, so now to make our sandwich, I purchased from the deli section. This is low sodium honey glazed turkey. This is some provolone cheese. Now I'm going to top the sandwich with some romaine lettuce, black olives, purple onions or red onions, and tomatoes. Then the naan bread that I'm using, this is called Ancient Grain. I mean, really good bread. You get like 4 slices in there. And so I'm also going to add some of these banana peppers. I had these in the refrigerator, haven't used them for a while. Don't want them to go bad. My mayo, of course, is Hellman. I love mayo. Comment below what your favorite mayo is. Then I'm going to saute my meat in this sunflower oil. Okay, so to my pan, I added like about a tablespoon of that oil. You really probably only need a teaspoon, especially if it's a non-stick pan. And so now I'm just adding several slices of my deli meat to this pan. And then what I'm going to do is allow this to cook for a couple of minutes, maybe like 2, 3, 4 minutes, until it gets nice and brown. And then you're going to turn it over and you're going to repeat the same process. And then around your last minute of it cooking, Then we're going to go in and add the cheese. I didn't record that part of it, so that's why I just went on ahead to just tell you what's happening, and you'll see it at the end when it's done. Okay, so now I've added my cheese to my sandwich meat, which I did off camera. Now I'm going in and I'm going to brown my naan bread. And so I have this non-stick pan, and what I'm doing is kind of glazing it with some of the sunflower oil, and then I'll let this brown for about 2 minutes. Alrighty, y'all. So now the bread is done, and see how it's nice and toasty and brown. So now I'm going to start to put our sandwich together, starting with my mayo. Comment below what you like to put on your turkey and cheese sandwich, or whatever type of sandwich you use. What are your toppings of choice? Like, I could have even put mustard on this. I thought about it later. That would have been really well. But nevertheless, it still came out good. So now I'm adding my lettuce, and I prefer to use the iceberg lettuce because it tends to hold up well, especially in water once you wash it off and stuff. Things like spinach, even the regular lettuce, sometimes it tends to, after a while being in water, it'll get, what is that, wilted. So iceberg lettuce, I love it. It's nice and crisp. And now, as you see, I'm adding everything else, my tomatoes, and then red onions. I mean, I love onions in general, but I would have to say, if I had to choose my number one, of course, purple onions wins hands down, okay? Then I'm adding my black olives. And also, I'm going to add these banana peppers. Now, I had my banana peppers for a while. They haven't expired yet, but I figured this would be a great opportunity to use those up. And then now, if you're, say, like a vegetarian, and at this point, this would make a really, really nice sandwich. You could probably throw some spinach in there, maybe some broccoli, and even eat it just like this. This will make a really, really, delicious sandwich. Easy for you to say. So now I'm going to add my turkey and cheese. And y'all wait till you see how delicious this looks. Woo! I mean, this sandwich tastes so amazing. Look at that, y'all. Come on. Come on. You cannot deny it. Look at that. So now I'm going to, go a little extra, be a little extra with it. I'm just going to sprinkle some black pepper on top of that. And that's pretty much our sandwich, So now I'm just going to take the other bread and add my mayo on that. And I like, I like kind of like extra mayo, not too much, but, definitely a little extra. And there, look at that sandwich. Isn't she nice and juicy and pretty? Yes, yes. All right, so now we're going to head to the refrigerator and grab our carrot juice. That should be nice and chilled. Okay, so I have retrieved the juice from the refrigerator. So, now I got to do a little extra, a little slow motion. Okay, y'all, so this is a close-up of the juice. It tastes so good, and like I said, it smells delicious. Yes, so this is our lunch. And so now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to cut into this bad boy. I got a little mayo on the knife. So I'm just cutting it in half so y'all can see what the inside looks. And the sandwich is so thick and has so many ingredients in it, kind of falls all over the place, as you're going to see in the next clip. All right, G Squad. So that brings us to the end of this video. Yeah, so again, it's so good to be back, family. I hope you have enjoyed the video. And, you know, as I said, I will be uploading back to several times a week, probably 3 times a week at most. But in any case, yeah, make sure you, you know, do the particulars, like, share, subscribe, comment below. And I look forward to seeing y'all in the next video. Bye.